Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu और आप देख रहे हैं Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the question number 5b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all the PDF and the handwritten assignments, and for this you have to just message us on the number which is 9009368238. If you have another queries and other queries like related to the coaching classes or anything other related to the studies, or you have any doubt, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. You can just share your doubts on our number which is 9009368238. यहाँ पे हम बात करने वाले क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर बी इज सेइंग दैट if you consider 24 hours geological clock with the origin of the life set at midnight, we can say that a human have come on the planet just less than a minute ago. Explain the statement in the light of the history of the life of the earth. Identify the type of the epithelial tissue from the location in the human body as given below. Write its name and any one function of each. Epithelial tissue that forms outermost layer of skin and epithelial tissue that forms inner lining of the stomach and the intestine. So आपको ये बता दें कि we have prepared all the answers according to the marks and according to the chapter wise. If you need answer of all the PDF, you can just message us on our WhatsApp number. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you are looking any other problems, like if you are finding the solution of the problems, you can contact. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.